Hello, Fire Stick Expert, back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you a new application that I've run into in the App Store of the Fire Sticks. Very good application. And here's the application. It's called Clean Master. Available in the App Store of the Fire Sticks. Let's get into it. And this application, what it does is clean the cache, clean memory, residual, and cleans up the APK. All you do is just sit back, watch, and press that middle button right there to clear all. And that's what you're looking for. 100% TV boosted completed. 100% TV boost completed. Trust me, this is a great app for your Fire Sticks. So go in the App Store and download it, and if you can't download it for whatever reason, give me a call and I'll help you find it. Thank you.